Need to adjust your class list, your class or student names, or reset class stars? You can manage your existing classes anytime in the class list icon. Here, you will see all your saved classes. The order your classes are in here is also the order listed when changing your class in presentation mode. By default, classes are listed in the order they were created, but you can reorganize by clicking and dragging. To make changes to a specific class, select one to view the class information. If there are new arrivals to your class, add them with the button at the top by typing it out or importing with a CSV. You can start them off with any earned stars too. To edit any current participants, navigate to the ellipses where you can change their name and total stars, or delete them if they are no longer attending your class. You can also edit the class image, class name, and class code. At any time, export the class data as a CSV for your records or to share the names, stars, levels of participants in your class with others. And finally, you can reset the stars for the whole class to begin again from 0. Once the stars are reset, you are not able to bring them back. When the whole class is no longer needed, delete the class to make room for more. Congrats! You are My Class Pro!